And hello there, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest monster from the 30 minutes fantasy line. We have the DLRO Wyvern. Yes, and as you can see in the box art, we have the Wyvern there, and of course, some the Liver Knights riding the Wyvern. Hey, so typically, we're cool. And off to the side, here it is, the Wyvern. Yep, and what you can do with it, and of course, how it could interact with your 30 minutes fantasy silhouettes. And off to the other side, here is front and back, some information about 30 minutes fantasy, and opening up and seeing what's inside the box. We have one bag with two runners and a wire cable there, probably for the tail or the neck, I don't know. Another bag with three runners, screws. The last bag contains just one runner or screw. And of course, we have here is the instruction manual. Here it is, the little Wyvern, and of course, how it could interact with your other 30 minutes kits. Alright. Of course, the story is here. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, so first up is we have the A1 screw with this dark green color. It also comes with the A2 here. Still of the same color, of course, because the Wyvern is that color. And we have the B screw here. And of course, the C screw where we can see its wings. And we have the D screw here, which is a clear red. And of course, some EBS or sorry, a PS ball joints. And the wire, which I thought was for the tail, it's actually for the reins, in order to, when you ride the Wyvern, that's how you control the Wyvern. Yep. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. Up to what's inside the box of this 30 minutes fantasy monsters line. the Yeah, sorry, excuse about that. Again, the 30 minutes fantasy line, the Draw Wyvern. Yeah, so eventually the place where all of this is taking place, or the events, is actually the place is called Draw, DLRO, and of course the monsters are this one. So earlier we had the skeletons, right? And now we have the Wyvern, and up next or coming forward is the was it the Fenrir or the Wolf? Yeah, so much more many exciting monsters to come that will interact with our other 30 minutes kits. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing my video, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.